Welcome to our roundup of the best torque wrenches, essential precision tools designed to help you tighten bolts and fasteners accurately without over-tightening or causing damage. Whether you're working on cars, motorcycles, bicycles, or general mechanical projects, a reliable torque wrench ensures every fastener is tightened to the correct specification. Most modern click torque wrenches offer high accuracy, usually within plus or minus 3 to 4%, along with dual scale readings, durable construction, and an audible click to signal when the set torque is reached. Choosing the right one can improve safety, prevent damage, and make your work much more efficient. Let's take a closer look at some of the best torque wrenches available right now. Starting with the Suzume Drive Click Torque Wrench, this model is designed for users who want strong accuracy and durable construction at a reasonable price. It typically offers around 3% accuracy along with a wide torque range, making it suitable for automotive repairs, motorcycle maintenance, and general mechanical tasks. The wrench often features a 72-tooth reversible ratchet head that allows smooth operation even in tight spaces. Its chrome vanadium steel construction improves durability and resistance to wear over time. Many users appreciate the loud and clear click sound that signals when the desired torque is reached. It also provides dual scale readings for easier measurement in different units. Additionally, it maintains consistent accuracy even after thousands of uses and supports efficient, reliable performance in both light-duty and heavy-duty applications. Next up is the Heritage Drive Click Torque Wrench, a well-known option for users who need higher precision and consistent performance. This model typically delivers around 3% accuracy, making it reliable for tasks where exact torque is important. It often includes a dual-direction ratchet mechanism and a clear dual-range scale for better usability. The build quality usually features chrome vanadium steel combined with an ergonomic handle that improves grip and control. Many users find it especially useful for automotive work because of its smooth adjustment system and stable performance. It also includes a quick release mechanism for easier socket changes during use. Additionally, it offers improved handling comfort, better torque consistency, and dependable long-term performance even with frequent professional-level usage. Moving on to the Amazon Basics Drive Click Torque Wrench. This model focuses on simplicity, affordability, and dependable everyday performance. It is typically designed for beginners or DIY users who want a straightforward torque tool without complicated features. The wrench usually includes a durable metal construction with a corrosion-resistant finish for longer lifespan. Its easy-to-read dual-scale markings help users quickly set the desired torque value. Many people appreciate its smooth click mechanism, which clearly indicates when the correct torque is reached. It's a great option for general home maintenance, light automotive work, and occasional use. It delivers consistent results across repeated tasks and helps reduce the risk of over-tightening fasteners. Additionally, it provides stable operation and reliable accuracy for basic mechanical applications without requiring advanced experience. Stepping up in performance, the Lexivon Drive Click Torque Wrench is widely recognized for its professional-level build quality and reliable accuracy. This model is typically pre-calibrated to around 4% accuracy and often includes a calibration certificate for added confidence. It features a hardened chrome vanadium steel construction along with a corrosion-resistant coating that improves durability. The high-contrast dual-range scale makes it easy to read measurements even in low-light conditions. Many users appreciate its smooth click mechanism and strong ratchet head, which provide consistent performance during critical tasks. It's especially popular for automotive work, such as tightening lug nuts and engine components. Additionally, it delivers long-term calibration stability and maintains precision across repeated heavy-duty use, making it ideal for both professionals and serious DIY users. Taking the top spot is the EP Auto Drive Click Torque Wrench, a highly popular choice known for its excellent value and reliable performance. This model is typically pre-calibrated to plus or minus 4% accuracy and offers a torque range suitable for a wide variety of applications. It features a hardened chrome vanadium steel construction with a corrosion-resistant finish for long-lasting durability. The wrench also includes a knurled non-slip handle, which improves grip and control during use. Many users appreciate its clear dual range scale and consistent click mechanism, making it easy to achieve accurate torque settings. It often comes with a storage case and useful accessories, adding extra convenience. Additionally, it delivers dependable performance across repeated use and maintains stable accuracy without frequent recalibration needs, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. All of these torque wrenches serve different needs depending on accuracy, durability, and budget. The Suzume wrench offers strong precision and durability for everyday use. The Heritage model provides higher accuracy and better control. The Amazon Basics wrench focuses on simple and affordable performance. The Lexivon wrench delivers professional-grade build quality and consistency. And the EP Auto wrench stands out as the best overall option for value, reliability, and ease of use. That wraps up our list of the best torque wrenches, from budget-friendly tools to professional-grade options built for precision and durability. If you're working on automotive repairs, mechanical projects, or DIY tasks, choosing the right torque wrench can make a big difference in both safety and performance. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and make your next project more accurate and efficient with the right torque wrench.